Unlocking the party spirit, understanding party mood. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our fun-filled journey through English expressions. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's all about good vibes and great times, party mood. Stick with us to find out what it means to be in the party mood, and how you can use this phrase to add some sparkle to your English conversations. Party mood refers to a state of mind where a person feels excited and ready to enjoy a social gathering or celebration. It's that bubbling sensation of happiness and eagerness you feel when you're looking forward to having a good time. When someone says they're in a party mood, they're basically saying, "Let's celebrate and have fun." So, what creates a party mood? It could be the music that gets your toes tapping, the company of friends that makes you laugh, or the anticipation of dancing the night away. It's a mix of elements that together create an atmosphere of joy and revelry. Let's see how to sprinkle this phrase into your conversations. After that final exam, I am definitely in a party mood. This music is putting me in such a party mood. Are you in a party mood? Because the festival tonight is going to be epic. Interestingly, party mood doesn't have to be about an actual party. It can describe any situation where you feel lively and joyful. Maybe you've completed a big project, or you're simply enjoying a sunny day. These moments can put you in a party mood too. And that's a wrap on party mood. We hope this video has left you in a bit of a party mood yourself. Remember, English is not just about grammar and vocabulary. It's about capturing the essence of life's little pleasures. So next time you're feeling upbeat and festive, go ahead and tell the world you're in a party mood. Until our next English adventure, keep the party in your heart and the language on your lips. Goodbye for now.